Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. Dataswitcher helps you move your company's data to QuickBooks Online from other accounting apps. You'll see how to move from your previous accounting solution to QuickBooks Online, and then check the conversion to make sure everything came over correctly. If you're not an accountant, we suggest you speak with your accountant prior to migration to help ensure your file is in good shape for migration. First, select the service you're moving from. To prepare for the move to QuickBooks, make sure to read the Moving to QuickBooks Pre-Conversion Checklist. It contains important instructions such as cleanup, repair, and backup of your company that help make your transition as smooth as possible. We also suggest doing this after a reconciliation so you know the cutoff date. Also, before you move anything into QuickBooks, ensure your QuickBooks account doesn't have pre-existing data and has the default settings. Otherwise, you can reset your QuickBooks account. Follow this link to learn how. Once you've completed all of the above steps, select Let's Do It. Select Sign In with Intuit and enter your Intuit username and password. Or enter your company details and email address and select Next. Next, you choose how you want your data to convert. No matter what you choose, QuickBooks imports all of your customers, suppliers, accounts, and unpaid invoices and bills. The difference between the plans is how you want QuickBooks to import historical transactions. Note, if you need QuickBooks to track your inventory and your QuickBooks subscription supports it, you'll need to select the Pro plan. Once you choose an option, you can select extras, such as inventory, extra years of data, and more. Select Confirm. For the conversion to run properly, it's recommended you perform the following tasks in your current application. Check each box as you complete the task, or if you've already completed it. If you're moving from Sage 50, select Browse on your computer, and select the Peachtree backup file to upload to QuickBooks. If you're moving from a cloud-based software like Xero, you won't need to upload a file. Instead, enter your company name and the time period to import. Acknowledge that you've read and understand the conversion limitations and the FAQ, and you'll need to log into your Xero Online account and grant access. It can take a few minutes to complete the upload or to connect to the online account. Next, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Then select Connect. Select the QuickBooks company you want to import your data into and select Next. The tool checks your data to make sure it's ready for conversion. If there's anything wrong, correct the problem and select Go Back and Start Over. If everything looks good, select Start to begin the conversion. You'll receive an email confirmation with a link to follow your data conversion's progress. Most conversions finish within a few hours, but some can take up to 72 hours to complete. It's important that you stay logged out of your QuickBooks Online account while your data converts. If you're moving from a cloud-based software like Xero, stay connected so your data imports. After QuickBooks completes your move, you'll receive another email confirming that your data is ready to review. You have up to 72 hours to report any issues, so it's important to log in as soon as possible to make sure everything looks right. The easiest way to find problems with the conversion is to run a report in QuickBooks and compare it to the same report with the same date range in your previous app. The best report to run for this check is the balance sheet. From this report, you can check if your balances in QuickBooks match what you have in your backup company. Also, follow the post-conversion checklist to run other reports to make sure everything looks right. If everything looks right, go back to your email and select Review Conversion and Approve. Now you're ready to move your data into QuickBooks Online.